Hello everybody, welcome. In this second project that I promised you in my previous video, I'm going to show you how to make Himalayan pink salt facial gel. So it's a very simple project, but you're going to need a couple of things. The most important thing is Himalayan pink salt. Okay, we are not using Dead Sea mineral. That's going to be for another project. So you're going to need Himalayan pink salt. You will need citric acid, and you're going to need a thickener and any preservative of choice. So everything I use today are currently available at pureblendnatural.com. I have a link in the description box below. So if you have fine salt, that's fine. If you have coarse salt, you can watch my previous video, which I will link in the description box below, for how to turn your coarse salt into this fine salt. So without further ado, let's get started. So you're going to measure 1 gram of Himalayan pink salt, the fine grade. It's a very powerful salt, so you don't want to use too much. Okay, very powerful, high in minerals. Then you're going to measure the same amount. Okay, so another 1 gram of citric acid, to that you're going to add 93 grams of distilled water. 93 grams of distilled water. So you're going to allow that to dissolve. The salt is going to dissolve quickly because of the addition of citric acid. So you can mix it or you can just leave it, but mixing it lightly, it's okay. So mix it. Because of the citric acid we added to the salt, the dissolution is going to be very fast. So set that aside. Then in another container, make sure it's clean, and you add 1 gram of clear xanthan gum USP, the one I introduced to you on this channel. If you want to create a stable gum, you want to go for clear xanthan gum USP. It's available at Pure Blend Naturals. Look in the description box below for everything I use for this amazing project. To that you're going to add 3 grams of glycerin. Make sure you go for USP grade of vegetable glycerin. This is the best to make beauty products. So we're going to add 3 grams of that to it. Mix it gently. Then you're going to add the salt, water, and citric acid mixture to that gum. Salt, water, and citric acid mixture will now be added. Mix it well. If you have an overhead stirrer, this is a good idea. You can just. So at this stage you want to add your preservative. So any broad spectrum preservative will be okay. Just make sure you use your supplier recommended usage rate. I'm using Euxil PE 1010 by Pure Blend Natural. The recommended usage rate is 1%. So add your preservative and package it. So this facial gel is very useful if you want to refresh your face. So just put it on for 5 to 10 minutes and just rinse it with water. Okay, you can ask me, is this a retail grade? This is not a retail grade. This is a regular DIY grade that you can use at home. So if you have any question about this, you can drop the question in the comment box below. And if you want to learn more about cosmetic formulation, join me at stablecosmeticformulas.com. That's where I teach beauty brand owner and home-based formulators how to make beauty products to sell. So we do different projects every month. So here you want to make sure you check the pH and adjust it accordingly. The best pH for the skin, as you all know on this channel, is 5.5. so ensure the pH is at 5.5, okay, between 5 and 5.5, nothing below or nothing above. Just make sure it's between that range and you are good to go. Just make sure you follow the instruction. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how to make another interesting DIY product. So stay tuned for that. If you have not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? So make sure you click that subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified of my next video. So you ask me, how long is this going to last? Well, this is the question I get a lot from some of you. I can't really tell you how long this is going to last. You know, this is not a retail grade product. It's a simple DIY. So since we added preservative, maybe it will last for a month or more. I can't until you do a clinical challenge test, right? So this is a beautiful DIY. I've used it and it's very, very good for maintaining a soft, supple skin because of the powerful effect of Himalayan pink salt, highly mineral salt. So it has a lot of minerals and also nutrient, especially if you have to use it to cook. Okay, so in two ways, you can either use this to cook, or you can use it to make beauty products. Thanks for watching. Happy formulating, everyone.